need to design a phone system that meets and exceeds the needs of all businesses, but is affordable to the small and medium-sized company.
The phone system must be easy to use, easy to install, easy to maintain, and easy to expand.
Definitely, and the system needs to be flexible.
The Electro-Professional should be available in 2 levels. Level 1 for the smaller business, so a company can grow from 4 outside lines and 8 phones to 6 outside lines and 16 phones. Level 2 should be designed with expandability of up to 64 ports, supporting up to 56 outside lines and 56 telephones.
We shouldn't stop here. Let's allow for ground start, loop start, DID lines, and tie lines as well.
Tie lines are great for those companies with multiple locations, such as banks or car dealers, but I think we should offer cost savings to companies with many outside lines.
Are you suggesting T1 capability?
Yes. Let's design the Electro-Professional Level 2 with T1 circuitry to support 1 T1 channel.
Just 1 pair of copper wires are required for 24 digital lines, the clearest phone service available.
We've just made an expensive option economical and on a key system. And let's go one step further. Let's offer fractional T1 so those companies who do not need 24 lines purchase only what they need.
Okay, I've got a question. Besides T1, what else do expensive PBX systems have that small and medium-sized companies can benefit from?
Well, a number of things, but particularly an automated attendant.
Correct. Let's provide this impressive service to the Electro-Professional.
Our Level 1 should greet each caller and send them on to their party. There will be no unanswered or lost calls.
The Level 2 will go further. For firms that receive many calls to the same department, like customer service or technical support, ACD or automatic call distribution will be needed. As calls come in and are automatically answered, they will be processed in order and distributed to up to 32 agents. If agents get busy, incoming calls will be sent to a queue and hear up to 2 recorded messages while awaiting the next available agent.
This is great for customer service or technical support departments. But let's design the Electro-Professional with a management information system, computer software that tracks the system operation, creates on-screen and hard copy reports, which continually update employee efficiency.
Companies large and small need a phone system that will integrate all telecommunications and capabilities like fax machines, single-line phones, voicemail, and Centrex service.
Exactly. The Electro-Professional should be designed to incorporate the benefits of Centrex with the power of a key system. For example, synchronized ringing should identify the Centrex calls from those of inter-office and non-Centrex. And one-touch button programming will replace remembering lengthy Centrex codes.
Have we considered digit insertion so employees will be free of having to dial extra digits to access Centrex?
Good suggestion.
A good new system needs telephones with style and user comforts built in. I've worked up a few ideas. Take a look at the 8-line, 16-line with LCD, and 16-line with direct station selection and busy lamp field.
Good looking. But have you created designs for Level 2, like the 24-button telephone and separate DSS BLF for up to 48 phones?
Take a look.
Our telephones are fully digital, so let's provide the user with one-touch keys for programming the important features they need, like internal paging, external paging, call forwarding, speed dialing, do not disturb, and more.
I've designed these buttons for a number of functions: LCD display contrast, handset audio volume, on and off hook ring volume, and the speakerphone level. A good phone system promotes productivity. So what can we do for the inter-office caller to notify him of a fellow employee's whereabouts when the phone just rings?
Let's create 10 different pre-programmed LCD messages like on the road or at a client's, along with the return date and time so the caller knows when a fellow employee will return.
Speaking of productivity, how about offering a phone LCD readout that informs the user when a fax has arrived?
Fabulous.
When a smaller company needs to work and sound like a larger company, we offer the Ancillary Device Adapter, or ADA. Our ADA transforms any office multi-line terminal into a remote phone and answering machine. Now the user can be anywhere in the company he needs to be and not miss a call. And if he is on the road, his answering machine will do the job of voicemail, cost effectively.
When we can't count on the weather and the business environment demands up-to-the-minute contact with the market, a company can't afford to lose its phone service. That's why our system is designed with battery backup power for continuous phone operation and memory retention. So even when lights are off, business is being done with the Electra Professional.
With all these features, one would think the Electra Professional would be difficult to program.
Not at all if we design a computer program that accepts input from both technicians and end users. For example, by phone and modem, a technician can set up and make program modifications for the system. The Electra Professional can also be modified on site from the phone.
With programming capabilities like this, the Electra Professional is easy to install and maintain.
What would you expect from a phone system that offers features and benefits every business wants and needs to stay competitive? Networking, automated attendant, automatic call distribution, Centrex compatibility, fax notification, and remote phone with answering capability. The Electra Professional, built by NEC, a world leader with over 90 years experience designing and manufacturing communications equipment.